Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for this video, I thought I'd review my top 3 eyeliners. I know that is something that I do not leave the house without. I'm obsessed. That's the correct word. I'm actually obsessed with eyeliners, and so I'm always on the lookout for the best ones out there. And I think I have narrowed it down to the 3 best that I have used. I think these 3 are the best I've used among a pile of the other eyeliners that I own. So, no specific order of preference here. Again, it all depends on the kind of look that I'm going for. All these 3 are great quality, will give you great durability. It only depends on the kind of look and the mood that you're in for the day. So the first one is my Tom Ford the Eye Defining Pen, and I'm in the shade 01 Deeper. Now this I think has lasted me forever. I mean, these kind of ink liners tend to dry out really soon, but this one has lasted me forever, and it will give you a beautiful flick, and it's very easy to get the cat eye look with this. Also because it has 2 sides to it. The small one is for the lower lash line, this one is for the upper. Obviously that's common sense. Okay, so this eyeliner does not budge. This is one of my favorites. The second one is by Hourglass. Oh my god, Hourglass I think comes in every favorite. Ouch, sorry about that. Hourglass is one brand that keeps coming up in all my favorites. This one is in the shade Obsidian. Now this is a pencil eyeliner, but I tell you what, this gives you a charcoal black effect. That's the kind of black it is. It's the charcoal black. I think you get that in the pot eyeliners, the black ones. This is in a pencil form, and it'll give you just that effect, and it'll last and last and last, and it gives you, the only thing is I don't like very harsh lines. Like some people will just line it and just, I prefer to buff this in because I don't like the harsh line. So this one is really good for giving you the blackest of the black without it budging and looking really natural. And if you want a dramatic look with it, you can even achieve that with it. So it's very versatile in that sense. The third one is by Shu Uemura. Now Shu Uemura is a brand that I don't find very often in all department stores here. I did pick this up on my trip to Japan, and oh my god, I'm so glad I did. The only thing is, I don't know why I got the color brown. Maybe they ran out of the color black. But I have no regrets. I'll tell you why. Because this one is so perfect for your lower lash as well as your upper lash, and it doesn't. And when I do wear it on my lower rim here, it doesn't seem I'm wearing an eyeliner. And it's not about the technique. It's just about how they have formulated it. So just line your lower lash, and it just seems that's your natural color of the lower lash, especially in the color brown. I mean, obviously my eye color is brown, so probably that's the reason, but maybe if I use a black it would not look so natural. But I think it's serendipity that I did pick up the brown color, so when I do put it on my lower lash, it really does look very natural. It's just my preference is that I do wear it on the lower lash more heavily than I would on the upper lash. That being said, I am wearing this on my upper lash today, as I told you. So those 3 are my favorite eyeliners of all times. I do have a stack of more eyeliners lying there, and I do reach out for them again and again. I do have a love-hate relationship with them, but this, no hate, only love at all times. So yeah, let me know in the comments below which are your favorite eyeliners. I would love to try those as well. And do remember to hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel so you are notified as and when I do upload a video. So you take care wherever you are in the world. Spread the peace, spread the love. Be kind, spread the good energy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.